Hola, bienvenidos. This is the second installment of the Best of 2019 series, and in this one we're speaking about the Best of Makeup 2019, aka all the makeup products or the 5 top makeup products that I enjoyed in 2019. Those things that I reached for over and over again, or that I repurchased over and over again. Yes, so let's get right into it. You haven't heard me speak about makeup very much on here because I am no expert and I have the bare minimum, but I still do like certain products for my skin, and my skin has been acting out, especially towards the beginning of 2019. My skin was really horrible, and these are the products that I used then that I still love now that my skin is behaving a little better. Again, let me know if you've used any of these products down below in the comment section. Let me know your reviews on these products, whether you like them, whether you hate them, whether you've never tried them and you want to. Let a sister know. Also, you can share your best makeup products in 2019 with me so that I can see if anything on that list catches my attention and I want to buy it in 2020. So let me know down below. Let's have a little dialogue. The first on my list is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I am in love with this foundation. I'm wearing it today. I pretty much wear it every day. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that already. Guys, if you don't follow me on Instagram, run over. My handle will be up here. But yes, I love the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I am in number 7, W1 Deep Spice. And I thoroughly love the foundation. It dries quickly, it dries matte, and people say it's a full coverage foundation. But I do believe that if you use a light hand, that it is medium coverage. You can even make it light, and sometimes I use a very, very light hand. Again, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that you've seen that process. But that is one of my favorites. Number 2 on my list are Real Techniques brushes. I have a few Real Techniques brushes. Again, I am no expert, so I have the bare minimum: a powder brush, some eyeshadow brushes from them, a foundation brush, and I really love the Real Techniques brushes. I'm no expert, but I love them. Number 3 on my list is the lip color that I am wearing right now, and I gave you wrong information on Instagram. It is the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon, and I am particularly using the one in Stay Exceptional. Thoroughly love it. I think it does a nice pinky movie nude for a dark girl like me. Thoroughly love it. I use it with a brown random lip pencil, and I've been reaching for it almost every single day. It is my easy lip, and I just add a little lip gloss, so I don't. Love it thoroughly. Number 4 on this list is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. You know, it was all the rage before on YouTube. Everybody was using it. I don't know if very many people are using it now because I don't watch a lot of makeup YouTubers, but I still love this concealer. It is very affordable and it does the job for me. It brightens my under eye area, and I use a beautiful brown shade for my under eye area. And number 5 on my list is Sasha Cosmetics liquid lipstick. The one that I want to refer to is the red lip that I wear, that you guys always ask me about. Going off the top of my head, I think the name is All the Boys. If not, I will put the correct name on the screen. But these are my top 5 makeup products for 2019. Let me know if you've tried them. Let me know what you loved in 2019 that you're taking into 2020, God willing, with you. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share the video, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one in this series, which is the best of skincare 2019, and that list is quite long for me, so see you there.
My crown so heavy, better help me carry. My crown so heavy, better help me carry. My crown so heavy, crown so heavy. My crown so heavy.